Mounting the rear wheel on our RSs can be a bit of a pain when it's just one person. Right now you can see 4 of the bolts or lug bolts are out, and this one here is the only one that's holding the wheel up. Now when you've got to put the wheel back on to the hub and you've only got one pair of hands, it can be a little bit challenging to position that, align it up with the holes, and then put the first lug bolt through. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to fashion a little tool using an M10 by 1.25 bolt, and we're going to make a little tool to hang our wheel on. Okay, here we are. So the bolt has now been cut, and I kind of rounded off the end so that it takes any sharp edges off, any burrs that were there before it's gone. So basically I've just got the shaft of the bolt and the threads, and now to use this all you got to do is screw that in there like that. Okay, you don't have to screw it in very far, but that's it. And then you take your wheel, and now you can hang your wheel on that, and there you go. You do a one-handed job quite easily. You put it on like that, center it up, and you catch your bolts. Once you got the first one in, the first lug bolt in, then you're good. You pretty much can take that out if you wanted, or you can leave it in until you get all the bolts done up, and then you take that one out. But it does help a lot. Look, it's not even bearing any load right now actually, but the thing is, it's just to get that up there to give you a little bit of a hand as you put it around this little lip. So you just put the rest of your bolts in, and you're good to go. Handy little tool. So again, you just get a metric M10 by 1.25, and you can get any length you like. As you can see here, the 70 is actually a good length because you've got something to grip onto as you want to unscrew it. So you just unscrew it like that and toss it in your toolkit.